got us all organized, so we're going to shift a little bit. So, what we're going to do is have you line up at the different stations. The driving exercises is over at the orange canopy. We're going to do the change attire. We're going to do 3 at a time, and we're going to back you in here so that you are out of the weather. Then we'll have our trivia. It's going to be set up right here at this table, 2 at a time. No cheating, no Google. You got to come up with your own answers. Chad is going to be sitting at this table as a station if you want to ask build questions, mechanical questions. How you want to build your Jeep, what do you do when. He'll be available for that. I did tell him he has to limit it to 20 or 25 minutes per person, so we're not going to
The ladies all here are so awesome, and it was such a community thing, but I really like the trail rides and going up on the mountain. That was so much fun.
Losing to my sister in the Olympics, because I showed her how to do everything right, and then she did it better.
Oh, favorite thing from this weekend?
Yeah. Besides spending time with your sister.
Beating my sister on the cone course by 30 seconds.
I have never been on a trail and saw the event posted back in, I guess, December, whenever it was posted, and I knew that if I didn't sign up for it then, I likely wouldn't come, so I just jumped in head first and came, and it's been awesome meeting all these people and learning how to do things from someone who's not condescending and who's teaching me how to do it in a safe way.
You guys drove from Washington State?
Yes, we did.
Oh, here we go.
How was that drive?
There we go.
It was fun.
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Meeting a lot of new friends and just had a lot of fun driving around and playing in the rain and mud puddles.
Thank you guys for a great weekend and a fun time and a great experience, and I'll be back.
So big thank you again to all of our volunteers and help that have been here. Thank you again, ladies, for coming, for being a part of this. And I hope to see you at another one of our events coming up. So thank you guys. I appreciate everything.